Today is Thursday, the 29th of April, and this morning we have got what we've decided to call the Osmaston Dog Walking Club. So there's Monty, that's Monty, there's Hector, my boy, more of Monty. This one is Lady, who's running after Monty. Here we have Brandy, that's Bonny in front. There's Copper again.
No, you're not to go back in. No.
Here we have Dali, who is a Shih Tzu. There we go, there's Dali's face, so everybody can see.
Brandy thinks she's got the dog out. All these friends.
There's Bonny. That's Shadow, the Alsatian. That's Hector. There's Monty sitting with Alan. That's Doreen and Trevor, who own Copper. This is Jane, who owns Shadow.
You're just so good, aren't you?
And Lady, who is over here with Copper. Not sure if you've seen a film of Copper. She is Brandy's friend. They do love each other, these two. They want to do big girl stuff. This is Lady. There's Bonny, Copper and Lady, Brandy, and Marnie. Have I shown you Marnie yet? I'm not sure if you can see. She looks like a black speck at the moment. That's Marnie. She's just wandered away from the group. Hello. And then here's Bonny, wondering where I'm going to. Bit of a shadow is Bonny. There's Monty. Yeah, hello. There's Copper, going home with her mum and dad. Bye. More of Lady. Right, see you later. And there's Claudia, and she is Dali, and that's Dali. That's Dali. That's Marnie. That's Claudia. Sadie. Alan.
Brandy.
Yeah, you can walk away from the park, but you can't walk away from the dogs. So there we are, the Osmaston Dog Walking Morning Group. Thank you.